This is how you update graphics drivers for NVIDIA. First, you go to browser and type NVIDIA app. Click on first link, download now. Now open the downloads folder and click to install. It'll take some time, depends on how fast is your hardware. This is how it'll look after installing. Here you can see your games and apps. Now simply click on drivers option. Now, the game-ready drivers are primarily focused on providing the best possible performance for the latest video games. Studio drivers prioritize stability and reliability, like video editing, but they also support general applications and gaming, so I simply install studio drivers in my case. After downloading, click on install. There are two options. If your display has speakers, then simply click on express installation. If you're like me who use headsets, which are obviously connected to motherboard, which means I don't need NVIDIA audio drivers, then I simply click on custom installation and unselect the HD audio drivers option, and then install. It'll take a few minutes to install. That's it. If you found it helpful, like it, and I will see you later.